Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new day trading analysis. Today I'd like to talk about Australian dollar, Swiss franc and about three strong resistances that formed on this pair quite recently. So what you have before you is the Australian dollar, Swiss franc 30-minute time frame, and what I want to talk about here is this very nicely looking trend where three significant volume zones got accumulated. Now those three zones are the most important zones within this trend because heaviest volumes were traded there, which means big institutional activity at those three places, right? So the chart is telling us that the price was dropping and the big guys who are pushing the price downwards were adding to their short positions at those three places, right? Now those three areas are important because the big trading institutions are likely to defend those zones when the price comes back to those zones again, right? Because clearly those zones are important for them because they placed a lot of their shorts there. So when there's a pullback to the first zone, to the beginning of that heavy volume zone, then I expect a reaction. It is at 0.6267. Then, if there is a pullback to the second zone, to the beginning of the second zone, at 62.88, then again I expect a reaction. And in the future, at some point in the future, if the price comes back to this level, 0.6320, then I expect another reaction. Now I'm not saying that the price will reverse now and go upwards, but I'm saying that if the price makes it back, then those are three resistances where the price will have problems going past, and it's likely that the price will react there. All right, as the sellers from here, here, and here will be defending those zones. Now, I was showing you those volume clusters here on volume profile, but there's more to it. There are a couple of confluences here. Confluences with a price action setup. So let me show you. There is no confluence where the first resistance is, but talking about the second resistance in here, if I extend the line like this, then you can see that the price was bouncing from this level in the past, which means that it worked as a support. In here, the price went past the support, which means the support turned into a resistance. All right, this is a price action setup. It's not my price action setup, but I've been using it for many years and it's working very nicely, especially when you combine it with volume profile setups. Now, regarding the third resistance, this one, if I extend the line as well, then you can see that the price was also reacting here in the past. So again, this worked as a support in the past, and when the price blew past that support, it turned that support into a resistance. All right, so that's what I like about this resistance and this resistance, that it actually is confirmed by another setup. This one isn't, so I don't consider this resistance as strong as those two, but still I think that this one is good to trade. All right, so that's my take on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. If you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com. If you click this button, which says browse courses, it will take you to my courses. This one focuses on volume profile trading. It is called the Elite Pack. And right here, there's a video which will show you everything that's included in the Elite Pack. Below that, there's the Order Flow Pack that will teach you how to trade with order flow and provide you all the essential indicators and tools Again, there's a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included. Alright, so that's about the education and indicators and support that I provide. Check them out if you are interested. And if you have any questions, then in here, there's a pop-up window, which is a quick chat. And if you have any questions, you can leave them here and you'll have your answer in no time. So that's for that video for today, guys. I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, or if you decide to join one of our courses, then I'll see you in the members area. So see you next time, and until then, happy trading.